We are going for whale watching. Excited trip. Excited
know
trip.
which song
Excited trip.
which
Excited
song
trip.
I sang?
Excited trip. My name is Herr Buddha and I'm traveling with my family through Iceland.
Oh! Everywhere boxing!
We started our trip on the Golden Circle with some great Icelandic nature. We visited Thingvellir National Park, where we could walk between the two continental plates of Europe and America. Then we went to see the geyser and an amazing waterfall, Gullfoss.
This is huge!
On the second day we went to the highlands of Iceland and saw the incredible Landmannalaugar. So far this is the most beautiful thing we have seen in Iceland. Then we started our road trip in the south with the big tourist magnets Seljalandsfoss, Skoggafoss, Sólheimassandur, Black Beach and Diamond Beach. But we will never forget the glacier walk. On the fifth day we drove from the very touristic south to the quiet east where we could see the beautiful waterfall Hengifoss. On the seventh day it was time to go to the north of the island, but first we had to see the unique canyon Studlagjur. The first thing we visited in the north was Húsavík with an unbelievable smell of sulfur. Later that day, we relaxed in the Mývatn nature baths.
Oh my god, it stinks.
And visited Dimmuborgir lava fields. Then it was time for some kind of a rest day. We did a great horseback riding experience with lava horses. Riding these horses between the amazing Icelandic landscapes is something to remember. We even went inside a lava bubble. We're actually in a lava bubble.
Yes.
In the afternoon we visited the town Akureyri, but unfortunately I was sick of inhaling the sulfur the day before.
You okay?
On the ninth day of our road trip we planned a whale safari in Húsavík, but it was cancelled due to the bad weather. We tried to make the best of it and did the Diamond Circle, but it was really cold. My face is feeling numb.
Wow! Summer vacation! Yay!
But at the end of the day it stopped raining and we visited Goðafoss. What a beautiful waterfall. Hey, hello and welcome to a new travel video from Iceland. Our road trip in Iceland. It's the last view we have here of... Oh wait, you cannot see anything. Whoppa! Look at that view. This is amazing. And what else do you see? The sun. Very, very different than yesterday. Weather can change very quickly here. The wind has dropped tonight. But the sea is still rough. It takes 6-8 hours. So in the afternoon and the evening it will be better. But we cannot wait. We replaced the excursion already one day. Normally we should drive all the way to the east. But we wanted to give it another try and do this whale watching today. Ready?
Yes.
We are all excited that we can go on whale safari, but the sea is going to be very rough and we hope not to get sick, especially my daughter Xante. whales yet. No. But then, a magical moment. Yeah, that.
Now 1 o'clock. 2 or 3 o'clock. There's the low dolphin.
The first thing we saw were dolphins.
Oh, die komt super recht. Right side. Kijk hier. So we have left side and right side.
But then we saw for the first time whales in their natural habitat.
And he's coming. Very close now. And we have 2 humpback whales, okay. One is in the fat, it's in the same. Again, another one. 11 o'clock. Continue both, the 2 of them. Yes, right, yeah. O'clock again. You see the footprint, they are coming again, a little bit in the front.
Hoe zegt de Jarko?
Left side,
Ja?
the 2 of them. Let's try to see, oh, that's a fluke. Maybe the other one is also going down. From Africa as well.
Yes! How beautiful was that?
And in there, so in a mid
cool.
latitude,
That's cool.
it's the breeding season. So during the winter season, they spend.
It's so really exciting, and then you hear the sounds of water spraying on this side of the boat, and then everybody's running on this side, and then everybody's running on this side. It's like there and there and there. So we saw, I think, 3 whales, 2 that are traveling together. That's really exceptional because they are traveling alone. And we saw a lot of dolphins. I don't know how much I could capture on movie, but we'll see if we edit what we have. But this was so cool.
So we had a chance to see 2 different species on this trip. I'm going to start to talk a little bit about, again, the humpback whale. So this was the whale that we had a chance to see it.
We were all happy that we saw some whales and no one got sick. There were a lot of people that did not have that luck. But as soon as we got back to Húsavík, we needed to hit the road because we have a long drive ahead. We are traveling from the north to the east of Iceland. Along the road we are visiting Farmalio Church, the troll Hvítakur and the crater Grabrok. So this is the best one of the best kept turf churches in whole Iceland. So we have seen turf houses in the beginning of our vacation, but this is a turf church. It was almost destroyed, but luckily they have seen the value of it. The National Museum of Reykjavik was responsible for the restoration of this church. So luckily they saved it. Look how cool. Look at the outside. I always like the two, I don't know what it's called, the strange tips. It's really cool. We have already done a lot of miles in Iceland, but never was the road boring. The ever-changing landscapes and every corner you take, it is breathtaking. Just from the road, you will be able to witness glacier tongues and volcanic peaks, lava fields and majestic mountains. That is Húsavík. And Húsavík is known as the white rock because all the birds are shitting on the rock. So it's created by wind and rain and everything. The legend says that it was a troll. Yes, they are here with the trolls again. A troll that was throwing rocks at the monastery. And while doing that, he was so focused on the monastery, the sun came up and he was just changed in a rock.
He got versteend.
Why always Dutch between the English?
Because then they learn Dutch words.
Yeah.
He got versteend. They are versteend.
Look at our car. How dirty he is. So we have arrived finally. It was a long ride. And the seal center was closed because we were already so late because we replaced the whale watching. And we did this in the morning. So we left our place 4 hours later. But we wanted to do that and we saw whales. So we are at Grabrock volcano and we're going to walk on the rim of the volcano, and let's see if I can leave my get my blue sky. If I can put my drone on so we can see the full center of the volcano. So they're going to count. Yes, they're going to count the stairs. Come on, count the stairs just so you know
But is
how
this
much.
25 or that?
How much?
559.
559 stairs.
Until here, there are more stairs.
Are there more stairs there?
Yes.
Oh, that's a lot. Are there more steps? Where are there more steps? Oh yes, more steps. We're not finished yet. So how much?
576, and if you count this, 77.
Do we count this? Yes, we count this. 577 stairs. Oh my god. That's a lot. Look at the car. Is it a white one or a brown one?
It's a mix, it's a wrap, it's new.
What are you going to eat?
Margarita.
Margarita. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Prosciutto, rucola,
Don't touch it.
margarita, no prosciutto, no rucola. Hawaii. That's not good. Excuse me again for the Italian watchers. It was a very good pizza. I have a candy and we got a candy. It's a very nice one. Nom, nom, nom. Oh, I have to drive again. Okay, no problem.
That was a very good pizza.
It's a good candy.
Yeah.
Yes, it was a nice pizza.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Wow. Go ahead. Oh, het is lekker warm. Oh, slaapkamer,
Oh, en twee badkamers. Ik dacht dat is een douche. Hier
toilet,
staat dan.
badkamer,
We hebben hier 4 bedden. 4 bedden.
keukentafel,
En hier ook al een bed.
keuken.
Oh, yeah, Bob.
Eet, de relax. Oh, what a big screen.
Maar hè, hoeveel bedden hebben we hier al?
Nog een bed.
2.
Nog een bed. Nog.
3.
What the hell? Hallo, hallo.
So much beds.
Nog, huh?
What the hell?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wat is
I'm lost.
And a view at the sea in the distance. Yes, there is the sea. And a barbecue. 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 En daar jacuzzi.